Natalia here, and today I'm going to be doing a squishy review. But before getting into the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notification bell to notify to our channel. And make sure you share this video with a friend or family member. Make sure to stay for all the shoutouts that are going to be at the end. So let's go into the video. For my first squishy, I have this pizza bread. I have this green spider or crab. I have this duck. A pistachio ice cream with vanilla and chocolate drizzle. I have this Shopkin waffle squishy. I have this Squeeze-A-Mole narwhal. I have this emoji heart, upset heart. I have this Shopkin ice cream sandwich. I have this emoji foot. Strawberry ice cream cone. Pink, half pink unicorn. Strawberry milk carton. Purple unicorn. Cat frappuccino. Kiss emoji. Hello Kitty mini donut. A panda bun. A lemon. A green and white dumpling. A chocolate cake with raspberries on top and purple frosting. A Eat Me cookie. An avocado with a pink bow on top. A sherbet ice cream cone. A waffle bowl with mint, pistachio, banana, and strawberry ice cream scoops. A Karina Garcia DIY donut squishy. A purple cinnamon bun. A pink cinnamon bun. A yellow fish. A Karina Garcia DIY donut hole. I made this squishy into a donut hole because instead of a panda bun, because I thought it would be really cute. A cat in a burrito squishy. A football squishy. A cupcake squishy. A Karina Garcia DIY cupcake squishy. An ice cream milkshake. A cow, a pink cow's head. A pink cow's body. A powdered cookie with strawberry ice cream. a jumbo panda bun or panda bear bun, a purple koala, a watermelon, jumbo watermelon, a pink cat, a donut hole with sprinkles, and a vanilla drizzle, a blue narwhal with some ice cream on top with and Oreo cookies, a pink gummy bear head, pink gummy bear body, a pretzel with chocolate dipped pretzel, a teal cat, a blue donut with chocolate and vanilla drizzle, a yellow donut or piece of bread, a strawberry vanilla bowl, ice cream bowl, purple and pink, purple cookies with pink chocolate chips, a strawberry pink cake, a purple and pink frosted cupcake, strawberry shortcake cake, a teal hamster with a nut squishy, a purple owl jumbo squishy, an orange hamster squishy, a blue strawberry cake squishy, a blue cat squishy, a white llama with a pink flower squishy, a jumbo blue robot squishy, a pink elephant squishy, a green Hello Kitty squishy, a pink angel doll squishy, a stack of poop emoji squishies, a peach squishy, an apple squishy, a loaf of bread squishy, a pink chocolate squishy, a popcorn squishy, a chocolate strawberry squishy, a chocolate strawberry cake squishy. Sorry. A unicorn poop squishy, a purple penguin squishy, and lastly I have this strawberry cake with a panda on top squishy. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn on post notification bell to notify to our channel, and make sure you share this video with a friend. Goodbye. Peace.